temor. We all in the summer I'm not gonna make it love. It's a natural walk, guys. This is some place in the bush. When you're free, you can also come and visit this place. It's a nice place, you can chill here, guys. There's no direct sun. As you see, there's some rock there. This is a seasonal river. There's no water right now. But there's always some water when it rains. There's some small water here you can see. Yeah. There's another guy there in front of me. Let's continue. Let's continue walking. Let's go down ways, guys. Follow the river, we see where it comes from. Yeah. Hope there's nothing bad here, guys. As you see, you can't see me, I'm just talking. Let's see at this point. Let's see at this point. If you can capture something. I want to fall. Okay, guys. But there's some smoke here. Burn something, so let's see. Oh, it's a nice place. You can see it's a cool place, no direct sun. You can breathe here. next video.